Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can play the 80s and 90s game free on your PC. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Now, if you are an 80s or 90s kid, you'd possibly love some old games. To play it for free, open the browser and go to free80sarcade.com. So this is the website, and you can see here are loads of old games. We have always been a fan of Contra, so let's quickly play it. So here you can find the controls. To start the game, press enter. Enter. I will play single player. Enter. And now enjoy the game. Thank you very much.